Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp video call not working in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and your video call is not working for your WhatsApp app, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So now to fix that, you must have to fix your network issues first. So now to do that, you can switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back and you have to open your settings app, go for general app, and then you just have to go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, then go back again, go for the option of date and time, and you have to make sure that you have enabled the set automatically date and time option here. Then go back and you have to go for software updates, and you have to make sure that you're up to date or you haven't any pending software in your iPhone. Then go back, and now if you are still having the same issue, you have to open the settings app and then go for the option of general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network setting. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to delete your WhatsApp app and you have to reinstall it to fix all the glitches with your WhatsApp app. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.